Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how we can import ringtones in iPhone, how we can set any song as ringtone in iPhones. I hope you will find this method helpful. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 6s model which is currently running on iOS 14.6. You can use this method in iOS 12 also, in any iPhone, in iOS 10 also, in iOS 13, 14 and 15 the latest. So in order to use this process we need Windows computer or laptop here. So you can also use Mac, but we are having Windows, so we are going to use Windows computer here, and in this computer we are going to use 3U tool software. Just let me show you this software. You guys can see here, this is the software. You just need to connect your iPhone with this computer, with this software here, or just connect your iPhone with your PC. You just need to download this software from 3u.com. This is the website, and this software is less than 100 MB, and this is the best software I think for iPhones. Who are having iPhone, they must install this software in your computer also. You guys can see here, it just shows all the information about the iPhones. So in order to get the ringtones, we just need to go to the ringtone section here. You guys can see here ringtone, and after this just go to the import section here. Just click on import and click on select file. If you're having proper ringtone, for example I'm having a rolling tune, I just want to get the Samsung rolling tune ringtone in my iPhone, because iPhones does not have that ringtone. So I'm just want to get that ringtone in my iPhone, so I will just click on that one. So make sure that file is available in your computer in order to import this. You guys can see here, it just shows one ringtone import successfully. It may need reboot to be valid if the iOS version is iOS 13 or higher. So it's just showing that if your iOS version is iOS 13 or higher, you can reboot your device if ringtones is not showing. But let me check that my ringtones is showing in my case or not. So as you guys can see here, let me unlock my iPhone here, and now just check in the settings app. You guys can check here in the sound section, we will get a rolling tune ringtone here. So just let me show you in the sound section, in the ringtone option, and you guys can check here rolling tune ringtone is here, and we can simply play this ringtone without any problem. We can also set any song as ringtone like this one. I'm having rolling tone, so I have just imported this one. If you're having any song, you can import song in the ringtone section. This is the simple fix. I hope you find this method helpful. Please guys, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing this channel. Thank you.